Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery drain. And first, what you want to do is simply remove any excess widgets on your home screen and lock screen. So for me, I only have these two, so that's good. And next is go to settings. Once you're on settings, you just need to go to general, then here at background app refresh. So I suggest to turn off all of the unnecessary apps that you don't need to be updated always on. So as you can see, I have my mail turned on since I need to be updated on every mail that I have, since background app refresh looks for content on your app that you want time to time. So if you don't want that, you just need to turn it off. As you can see, I don't need this one to be turned on, so I just turn it off. And for Instagram, of course, I need some updates. When I have this turned on, it will always update me on what's the latest trend or something, or if there's a new post. And also in Messenger, I need to know if there are new messages for me. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.